If you're looking for an awesome midsize SUV, check out the new 2024 Ford Explorer ST. Oh yeah, red in color. 3-liter EcoBoost with turbo underneath the hood, 24 miles per gallon highway. We got 21-inch painted alloy wheels, red calipers, rolling on scorpions, heated and vented front driver and passenger leather. We've got the safe in the console, wireless charging, different drive modes here. Of course, our transmission shifter, connectivity, 12 volts of power, all of our climate controls, 10-inch vertical stack, full digital cockpit, leather wrapped steering wheel, electric tilt, and paddle shift. Oh yeah, not to mention a B&O premium sound system. Roof rails on the top, 4 cargo, panoramic sunroof, heated second row captain's power inverter, USB hubs, and also our climate controls right there, and plenty of legroom and cargo room right there. But guess what? Wait, there's more. Yes, we have third row capability, big, huge mats in the back. We fold down our headrest, and with a push of a button, boom, the third row goes down, and we can also put down those twin captains for even more cargo room inside of our new 2024 Ford Explorer ST from Payne Weslaco Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.